Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video I will show you how to create a poll on Telegram. To do this it's like very simple. You have just to go to Telegram app, open it, and after that go to any group that you want to create the poll on it. After that, open it and go click on the paper clip at the bottom left of the screen. And after that, choose poll in the options in the bottom. And here you can type your question. I don't know, I will call it question test. And after that, you will start adding options A, B, C, D, and you have the right to add up to 10 options, and you can make the voting anonymous, so no one will know what his friend or other group members voted. You can also activate multiple answers, and you can activate quiz mode, but just in quiz mode there will be one correct answer in the poll, and you can add any explanation that you want or any comment that you want. And after that, of course, you have just to, let me do it again, type anything and options, and after that you can just activate that poll and it will be published on your group. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.